Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see that XRP topped here in potentially a third wave on the 13th of July. Since then, it has come down in quite a complex correction. You can see that the downside momentum has started to slow down, and it's been a really corrective structure at the time. We highlighted here a small trend line, which was acting as a signal that price could already break out in the next upside structure. So we're going to zoom in a minute. Relevant bullish support has been, is 56 cents still. So that is still the higher level support. And that is still the relevant support, until we really break to new highs, to be honest. Because if we really are in a larger degree fourth wave, don't be fooled. Yes, we track upside from here at the moment, but this could become a much longer and boring sideways correction, because a wave 4, yes, we fulfilled the minimum requirements to complete this wave 4, while XRP completed a WXY structure. This could, however, turn into a larger triangle. Wave 4s can be triangles. So absolutely. So we don't have enough evidence for that yet. We have no evidence for that at this stage, but it is a possibility, knowing that wave 4s can be like that, okay? So it will depend on how this move to the upside now develops. If we see a corrective structure, that would either indicate it's going to form a triangle, or it will indicate that it will make another leg down here deeper into the orange support area. Because we don't know what's going to be, nobody's got a crystal ball, 56 cents is going to remain a relevant support. Below that level, it's going to be a bit tricky. So we are going to observe that very closely and track the micro movements to always indicate if something breaks on the microstructure, is it going to be a risk for the bigger picture? I hope that makes sense. So ideally, in the most bullish interpretation that I can offer, the wave 4 finished and we're now rallying in the fifth wave higher. The condition would be that we're holding 56.5 cents and that it breaks above 95 cents. It's way too early to confirm that. In my opinion, a break above the X wave high, but it has to, travel quite a distance for that. A break above the X wave high, which is 85.5 cents, would already confirm to a degree that we are here in a breakout, but it's still not the absolute confirmation, right? That will only be obtained above the third wave. And because XRP has such an extended move here, it will change, or it will have to travel quite a bit of a distance to confirm that for us. That's just how it is. But yeah, we're tracking the micro movements, and you can see that, this was the trend line I mentioned initially. That broke, retested, and then it went. 5 waves, it was a target area at the time. I did take that off the chart now. And we then broke the trend line, which was the indication that we're coming back in a wave 2 correction. So we're tracking if the wave 4 is over here. And additional confirmation for that will be obtained if price can hold the 61 cent level. So we have a 5-wave move up, a potential correction now to the downside. I track an A wave complete here on the 10th of August. And yes, the B wave could still be unfolding. We talked about that yesterday, that this could be a higher B wave into resistance. It reacted to the 63.9 cent level. Could very much be that this is over yet, the B wave, but I don't have confirmation for that. I will only get confirmation that the B wave is over if we break below this swing low here at 62.4 cents. So essentially it would be good for the chart, and it would be good for further upside if, one second, let me just draw that across. If we go a little bit higher, because then the C wave, when it comes down, has more space. But I'm currently observing if the B wave maybe has topped already. If we break above that high now, this B wave high, it would not be bullish. It would just be a larger B wave in my opinion. Which is absolutely possible, and it seems to be unfolding. If it is unfolding further, it's going to unfold as an ending diagonal. So I leave the option here on the chart that we go higher in the B wave. It would take a break above resistance to really give some clarity that it's not a B wave anymore, that we're already in the breakout. So B wave question mark, and that would be above 65.67 cents. So that would be some kind of it's not the breakout level. That would be here, the high of the wave 1, which is at 66.5 cents. But a break above the 78.6 fib level typically already indicates that something more bullish is going on, But you can see it's got lots of space still that it can use in this B wave. It has lots of space left. And it would be better for the chart if it goes a little higher. I just, it's sort of hanging in the B wave. So B waves are inherently unclear. So best not to trade a B wave itself, but to wait for clarity. And we have already reached our support area. So if it turns around here, I mean, this is a setup. Again, I find XRP's chart a bit unreliable. Okay, it's an altcoin, as we say. You need to understand these altcoin setups. They often do break because it's an altcoin. They are just what they are. They react to Bitcoin. They are fast moving, change their opinion quickly, change direction quickly. That's what they are. But yeah, this is a setup essentially. And as long as the 61 cent level is holding, a third wave rally could unfold. What we need to be, what all eyes need to be watching, that 61 cent level, right? So whatever happens in this yellow box doesn't really matter. So it can, of course, go lower. It could even go a little higher here and then come down. But as long as it's holding the 61 cent level, this wave count will not change. The subwave structure of the B wave might change, but that's that's just what you expect in a B wave. It morphs and changes. It's a corrective structure. It's one of the most difficult waves to deal with, a B wave. So we have to keep the option open that it goes a little higher. And we have resistance above 63.9 cents. We've got 64.4, 64.9, and 65.6. Just above that level, we might explore the idea that the wave 2 already finished, which I don't see at this stage as very likely. But if it goes above 65.6, we have to go with that. I mean, it came down deep enough, right? It came already into the relevant support area. So yeah, I think here we just need to wait now if this chart is turning around in the support area, and then we could be looking at a third wave rally. But I don't have a clear low in place yet, so I can't really give you a target yet for the third wave. But we can add, or we can base it on assumptions. So let's say the low is already in. I don't think it is here in this wave 2 overall, but what would be the target if it was? Because again, it did enough in terms of retracement. Then we would look at roughly the 75 cent level here, the 1.618 extension. So yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.